Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making an interesting dessert, also a traditional one. Let's see how to make Malpua. Into a large bowl add in some all-purpose flour, wheat flour, some cardamom powder, semolina and some saunf. Mix everything really well. Now add the liquid, that is water plus milk mixture. There is no particular ratio for it. Add the mixture little by little and mix it till it becomes a runny dough. Here I am adding some condensed milk. Instead of condensed milk, you can also use fresh cream. After making the mixture, rest it for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's make the sugar syrup with some sugar and water. Heat till all the sugar gets melted. Into that, add in some cardamom powder and some saffron for the flavoring. And you have to boil the mixture till it becomes just sticky. Now our batter has rested well for 1 to 2 hours. Let's heat some ghee for frying our puas. Add a drop of the batter, and if it floats on top of the ghee, that means it is the correct temperature for frying. Pour a ladle full of this batter into the hot ghee. After a few seconds, you can see it floats on top. Let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then slowly flip it and fry both the sides till it becomes golden shade. Once it is well fried, take it out from ghee and keep it aside. Similarly, fry all the puas. After frying, dip these puas in warm sugar syrup. So, heat the sugar syrup before dipping the puas. Now turn the puas in between and soak it nicely in sugar syrup. And after that, our delicious malpuas are ready. Just before serving, sprinkle some pistachios or almonds on top. And do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.